Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I'm super glad to see you here today, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That would be really cool. Today I have my first Ipsy Boxycharm hybrid. I wonder what's in here. I made some choices, but I always forget. And I still have, I had my Boxycharm on one email address, and then I had my Ipsy on another email. So I'm still, and I didn't know that they didn't merge. But so I've got another Boxycharm coming in the mail. So this is going to be different than that one. And this says, Boxycharm Ipsy, same great subscription you know and love, and now with more perks than ever. I don't know if I believe that. And it says Power Picks. You have to pay extra for the Power Picks. Choices, epic deals. I will tell you right now, the drop shop or whatever kind of sucked. It was not very exciting. And they have these tendrils of paper with the things in here. All right. So we have a box full of stuff. And the first thing I'm going to do is this. And this is a Pre-Show Glow from Fenty Skin. And what is that? Instant retexturizing reusable applicator. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. It's got like this thing and this thing. So there's directions written really tiny inside the box, but I don't even know what this is. But I guess you put this on with this and it retexturizes your skin or something. That's why I missed having the card that told us what the things were, because I don't even understand this. Don't understand it. I'm just a basic girl in the world. Now, something highfalutin is from Drunk Elephant, and this is the Oblios Rosy Drops, and this is a blush, and it is got omega fatty acids and sapperwood bark. Let's take a peekaloo. And I'm not going to open the blush and use it because I don't use liquid blushes, but it's very cute packaging, and somebody on my Macari will really like it. I'll put my Macari link down below, so if you're interested in that, I'll have it on Macari soon. All right, the blush. Then we have from Mud Masky, Moisture Boost. I gotta put my glasses on. I'm getting old. It says, oh, vitamin infused eye serum, and this is a really good size for an eye serum. I don't know how much any of this costs, which sucks because I don't have a card. But anyway, that's nice. And this is a whole fluid ounce of eye serum, which is really generous. Then we have from Il Makiage, we have High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. I like Il Makiage stuff. I used to like their liquid liner a lot. I bought it more than one time. And I'm not going to open this mascara because it starts the timing on it. But it's nice to always have a nice black mascara. And then last but not least, we have a Natasha Denona Ally palette. Very cool. And this is beautiful. Let me open it up for you. Beautiful neutrals, kind of a coppery shimmer, a nice shiny highlight color. You can make several good looks with this, and these are usually not cheap, so that's cool. So we got this month It's a pretty okay box. I got 3 makeup things and 2 skincare things. So that's not bad. So we got the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. We got El Maquillage mascara. We got the Drunk Elephant blush. And this mysterious thing from Fenty. Instant retexturizing treatment. Really don't understand. But somebody will. And somebody will want this. So I will put it on the Mercari as well. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Thanks so much for being with me here today. And we'll see you real soon.